You have probably seen a lot of videos about YouTube automation, and now you are so confused that you can't pick a good niche for your channel. Look, competition is everywhere, but if you pick a niche with high audience interest and make high-quality content on it, even if the competition is high, you will definitely stand out from the competition, and this channel applied the same formula. They make historical videos, but we all know that history niche is a bit saturated, but because of the quality content and a niche with broader audience, they made it out from the competition. So today, we will learn how you can make best possible historical videos with a secret method no one has yet talked about that will make you speechless. So don't skip any part of this video because we will be going very deep, but first check out a sample video I created in just 15 minutes.
In the 18th century, ladies in France loved to wear huge wigs and fancy dresses, but they didn't know the dark side of their fashion. Their wigs, made of human and horsehair, often became homes for lice and bugs. These pests would crawl all over their heads, causing itching and
Now guys, creating a new channel is always the best idea, so for that just click on your profile logo and then click on switch accounts, then click on view all channels, then just click on create a new channel, and you can simply ask ChatGPT to provide you YouTube channel names in history niche, and just write down that name here and click on create channel and your channel will be created. Now for channel logo, we will create our own logo in Leonardo. For that we will use a special prompt. It will be available in description. Then just select a good image model and keep ratio into 1:1 and just generate. Guys, I spend hours in writing these specific prompts. I don't just write them out of nowhere. I first try out with different commands to different AI tools, and then I make these prompts so that you don't have to waste your hours in this work. Now our images are ready. Simply download a good image, or if you don't like any, simply regenerate the images. Then head to YouTube Studio and then click on customization and then click on branding and upload the logo here. Now once again we will head to ChatGPT and we will ask ChatGPT to provide us a well-written description with emojis for our YouTube channel on history niche. Then ChatGPT will spit out all of the knowledge, so just copy it and come back to YouTube Studio and head to basic info tab and paste the description here and then just click on publish. Guys, don't waste your hours on making channel banner, trust me. No one will ever subscribe your channel by looking at your channel banner. Guys, the branding part is done now. Let me show you something you never saw before. First, open this website named Briefy from the link in description of this video. With the help of Briefy, you will never run out of trending and viral video topics, and I will show you how. First, click on Add Chrome extension and simply click on Add to Chrome, and it will be automatically downloaded and installed in your Chrome browser. Then just open YouTube and then simply open a viral video of your competitor. Like we will open one of history bypass video. Then you see this Briefy icon coming at the top, click on it and it will summarize the whole video in seconds. Now you can read the summary and you will be able to write a manual script on that topic by yourself. But if you want to get a good script automatically, go to the Ask feature, which is the main feature of Briefy, and ask Briefy that I want you to read the overall summary of the video I am currently watching, and then it will read the whole video script for you, and then ask now, provide me video topics related to the video I am watching in the form of title. But you would be thinking that why using Briefy for getting video topics while we can use ChatGPT? The reason to use Briefy is because Briefy can read and summarize the whole video, which ChatGPT cannot do, and so it provides you with video topics that are related to that particular video. Because if people love the topic of this video, then they will definitely show interest in topics that are somewhere related to this video, which increases our chances of going viral. And besides that, Briefy has a free plan which you can use if you are starting, and then you can easily upgrade to the Pro and see by yourself their pricing is extremely low that anyone can afford it. Now copy up any video topic and head to ChatGPT, and we will ask ChatGPT to provide me a short story script in a single paragraph on this topic. The script should be about real-life events of the topic mentioned. Use only simple and easy language in the writing the script and don't include difficult words, and start the script directly from the point. By using this prompt, you will save yourselves hours of work, and the script you will get through this prompt will be 10 times better than what you would write by yourselves. Then after you have the script, we will ask ChatGPT to provide me prompts of images related to our script so that we can generate images in Leonardo AI and provide me a different image for every little change in the scene. Guys, with the help of these prompts, you will have hours of time saved with you. If you do all this by yourself, you will notice how much time consuming this whole process actually is. So don't forget to like rate the video for my efforts and also subscribe to our channel. Now simply copy up your script and paste it in 11 Labs. Then simply select a good voiceover and take your time in the part because you will use that voiceover forever on your channel, and then simply generate and download your voiceover. Then head to Leonardo AI and just paste your first image prompt there and do some basic setting like choosing image model and ratio, and then just generate your images. And now you have two choices. You can simply download simple images or use Leonardo motion feature to bring them to motion. So here, our images are ready. You see how good the quality. Now you can download them or bring them to motion. It's totally up to you, but I will just download the images. Then repeat the same process for all of your images. Then we will import everything in our editing software and place the voiceover on the timeline and remove empty spaces to maintain a good pace in the overall video. And this step is very important. Don't skip it. And then according to your voiceover, place your clips on the timeline and adjust each clip according to the voiceover, guys. Now people say that you can't make money through AI content. Guys, I must tell you that YouTube allows AI content to be monetized unless you are making face swap videos of famous celebrities. And besides that, YouTube says that your work must involve human effort. So guys, giving prompts and generating images and also editing, all this is human effort. So what makes you think that you won't be monetized? Now guys, the reason I didn't animated images in Leonardo is because you can do it better in CapCut by yourself with the help of pre-made animation, templates, and keyframes. So take your time and animate your clips as per your choice, and then add basic transitions between the clips to make them engaging. Simply drag and drop a transition between a clip and click on apply to all, and that transition will be applied to all clips. Then there are effects, guys. These retro effects really give a unique touch to historical videos. You can try different effects and add good effects on your video. Guys, if you make these types of videos, you will 100% get monetized because you are making your own unique content and not copy-pasting others' videos. So guys, to take things to a step higher, we will add a filter named Clear 2 on our timeline and then stretch it on the complete timeline. And then, in final, we will add auto captions in one simple click using CapCut, and then simply choose a good template and place it on a suitable location at the screen. And for background music, you can download from copyright-free music websites or from copyright-free music channels on YouTube. If you are using music from YouTube, then just credit that channel in your video's description, and video is ready. Simply export it. Guys, you can literally start earning money from your very first video by doing affiliate marketing related to your niche in case of history. Niche. Now you would be thinking, what affiliate do we do with history niche? You can literally do affiliate work with ebooks and historical books. You can make contract with travel agencies and promote their tickets or services in your description. So whenever someone buys a ticket through your link, you will get commission and you will be making money from your very first video.